almost there. I just want to stop and show you guys this and check it out.
We made it. We're at the first place, which is the bridge. Plenty of parking. Also a lot of tour groups here. Straight ahead over there is the long ramp to go up towards the bridge. Go up a lot faster by going up the stairs here. Here at the start of the bridge. It only took about 5 minutes to walk from the car. Here we are, we're just about here. It's about another 5-minute walk from the start of the bridge. And we're not even at the halfway point. Right at the center here. Pretty good view from up here. If I'm not mistaken, about 1,200 feet from the bottom. This is also the Nevada-Arizona borderline right here. There's not too much further to see. You walk all the way on the other side. Can't even walk. I'm not going to. I've been here about 100 times, so I know it's already over there. But again, here we are. Over there, got more parking. I believe it's paid parking as well. There's also a cafe you can eat at, like hot dogs and sandwiches and whatnot. Now we're off to the dam wall called the Hoover Dam. Park, pretty big parking garage here. Always plenty of parking. Come on a Saturday when there's like 10 tour groups going on, and you might be screwed. But otherwise, it's always lots of parking. You gotta check this damn wall out. It's pretty nice. There's a bridge there that we just walked on. It looks really tiny because we're kind of far away. Pretty cool little gift shop here. Lots of gifts. That was the gift shop. There was a cafe next door, but it's kind of weird filming while people are eating. actually on the wall. Check it out. About maybe a 10-minute walk from one side to the other. I'll walk halfway. Get a view of the other side over there. It's a pretty cool view from right here. Back in the 80s, the water line used to be all the way up. About right there on those giant pillars. I'm not sure exactly what they are, but they say the water line is about 120 to 160 feet below the marker there, of where it used to be. By go in there. It's an exhibit. Kind of gives you a brief history of the Hoover Dam. About $10 to get inside. Here we are, made it here in Boulder City. Small little town. The park there, I believe this is the center of town. It's the post office. What's funny is that's the exact place I went to get my passport. This thing here is pretty cool, check it out. Turbine runner. It's part of the Hoover Dam. Pretty cool town. Bunch of old houses here. I'm gonna tell you when they're built. Pretty cool antique shops here. After 3 p.m. everything kind of quiets down. Still open, it's just not a lot of people. Popular restaurant here. Meals. Not a whole lot to see here, but it was pretty cool checking it out. Well, hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions about anything, just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.